It's the night before Bighorn 100 here. I'm in my hotel room in Sheridan. Got my stuff, clothes out, ready. Got my pack all packed up. Got stuff for the car. Got some drinks. Charging some stuff, and tomorrow's the day. I don't know why I'm so nervous. I've ran hundreds before, and I don't think this is any harder. And I'm sure once I'm on the trail, it'll be like riding a bike. But for now, woohoo! Nighty night!
Put away this one.
I like to do it. Did you grab those?
Yeah.
At the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars.
Bum bum bum! 'Almost mile 2. Sun is hot. All right, 2 miles in, still going good. Mile 3.6, still fun. Five miles in, still fun. Been doing a lot of climbing. 2,500 feet already. 5.5 miles. Whew. Pretty gorgeous. Look at that. Almost 3,000 feet. Yeehaw. What else? And 6 miles. 6 miles. Still fun. 3,500 feet of climbing. Whew. 7 miles. Going up this is gonna suck up over there. Let's go! Just came over the high point. 4,500 feet of climbing. 11 miles in. 11 miles. Still fun. I fell once. These 2 people in front of me, they're from Denver. They do epic shit. They're probably faster than me. I don't know why I'm up here. Look at this view. Oh, 12 miles in. Excuse me. Yeah, you want to put tailwind in this guy? Cool. Here's the top. Here's the top if you want it. What do we got for snacky snacks? Shit. Oh, sandwiches. I mean, I guess, why not? I forgot to say, that was Dry Fork. I'm leaving now. I've got snacky snacks. 18.5 in. I've got a little blister on my heel, which isn't good this early, but I looped it up. Hopefully it's okay. I only feel it on the uphills. So, been kind of rolling hills lately. Huge backcountry. When the sun goes behind the clouds, it's perfect. When it's out, it's hot. 18 and a half. Well, past mile 20. It's become work, but it's gorgeous. Just going into some woods now. We're in open alpine for a really long time. Oh, and push back. Oh. Oh, oh. Wildflowers. They're everywhere. I just left Bear Camp. I am 26 and change in. Still having fun. Still feel pretty good. I lost my friends, they're way up there now. Ran with them for like 5 miles. Ho ho ho. Say hi. Let's run it in for fun. Hey, 105. Almost 37. Feeling tired. How you feeling, buddy?
Doing all right.
Yeah, see? Now you're on camera, you gotta smile.
Oh, that's right. Hey.
Oh, it's a grind. This aid station where these tents are, I think. Oh, 7.5 miles. How long 7.5 miles? I'm tired. Oh, I'm tired. This looks hard. Oh, it bounces. Oh. We are up over 8,000 feet now. I think I have 3.5 miles to the aid station, something like that. And it's still light out. Sun. Oh. Good thing I want more water. Oh, mud. Okay. Mile 47. Hit some lows back there. Climb up to Jaws, but oh my gosh. Look at this sunset. I'm running probably the strongest race of my life. I just gotta keep it up. I can freaking walk to finish now. Wide angle. What do you see? The moose. We just have one on our left and there's two more right there. Look at that. Woohoo! Mile 60. Hurt everywhere. Mile 71. Made it till morning. Remaining hard climb over with. Gorgeous, tired. Ooh. 71. Mile 95. 5 to go.